Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to iCloud Private Relay for extra IP protection step by step clearly. Open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Scroll down and tap on your Apple ID at the top of the screen. Select iCloud from the list of options. In the iCloud settings, look for Private Relay. Toggle the switch to enable iCloud Private Relay. You may be prompted to read the terms and conditions. Take a moment to review these details before proceeding. Once you agree, the subscription will activate. For Mac users, start by clicking the Apple menu and selecting System Preferences. Click on your Apple ID and then select iCloud. Find the option for Private Relay, toggle the switch to turn on iCloud Private Relay. Again, review the terms and conditions if prompted. After agreeing, your subscription will be activated. Verify that the feature is working by checking your IP address. You can do this by visiting a website that displays your IP information. With iCloud Private Relay active, you should see a different IP address than your actual one. This means you are now enjoying enhanced privacy protection. Remember, you can manage your subscription anytime through the iCloud settings. That's it. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.